Which other brand would dare to test their product's safety with you like this? Look at this piece of glass, so clear and bright. When we rinse it with water, not a single drop clings to the surface. And with just one wipe of the wipers, it even feels like driving a brand new car, but with the appearance of so-called coated or crystallized windshield washer fluids on the market. After using them, you'll notice the wipers make the glass blurrier and less clean with every swipe. The longer you use them, the worse the problem becomes. It's the same with those water-repellent coating products we've used in the past, or even car wash waxes containing coating agents. They all cause the wipers to leave behind a 1 or 2 second white haze or streaking effect. Many people mistakenly think this is caused by an oil film. Here we have the oil film removal concentrated windshield washer fluid from the same brand, Click. Normally, it should be diluted with water before adding to the reservoir. But let's try applying the undiluted liquid directly on the glass. Will it really wipe clean? Okay, now let's rinse it with water. Let the wipers run. See? The white haze is still there. Why can't it be removed? Because this is residue left behind by coating products on the glass surface. That coating residue causes the 1-2 second haze or streaking effect. So, how do we solve this? We can use Click A14 Glass Polishing Compound. It's very simple to use. Shake it well, then apply it onto a wool pad, or directly squeeze some onto the glass. Gently polish the surface evenly like wiping a chalkboard as a kid. Now you're polishing glass. After a few wipes, rinse with water and see the effect. The area I polished is crystal clear, no water droplets at all. When touched, water spreads flatly across the surface. But look at the untreated side, it still spreads with greasy patterns. Now, let's try the wipers again. The white haze is completely gone. So remember, if your windshield isn't wiping clean, it's not always because of oil film. It might be leftover residue from coating products. If you face this problem, just use Click A14 Glass Polishing Compound. Whether it's oil film, coating residue, or white haze streaks, link is below.